Today, I've got some great news for all the internal combustion engine fans out there. Mercedes has admitted that their goals for switching to electric vehicles were a bit too ambitious. Let me translate that into plain English. They failed. Now, the Germans are doing a quick pivot and pouring serious money into the development of internal combustion engines. In an interview with a German publication, Mercedes CEO Ola Källenius said that ICE technology will stick around until the mid-2030s. Personally, I think Mr. Källenius is still being overly optimistic about EVs. By 2030, I doubt the situation with electric cars will have changed that dramatically. And Mercedes will keep making ICE vehicles for as long as their customers want them. Otherwise, they'll be facing another drop in sales, just like they are now. To ensure their new gasoline engines meet increasingly strict regulations, Mercedes is investing heavily. This year alone, the company is allocating 14 billion euros to its passenger car division. That money will go toward high-tech next-gen combustion engines, as well as electrification and digitalization. While Källenius didn't say exactly how much of that is going directly into ICE, he did admit it's more than they had originally planned. As an example, he mentioned the upcoming refresh of the flagship S-Class, scheduled for 2026. And I quote, "We invested far more in updating the new S-Class with a combustion engine than we usually spend on a typical facelift."
Mercedes aims to keep its traditional powertrains at the top of the tech game. Without major investments in gasoline and diesel engines, by 2027 or 2028, they'd have to halt ICE production altogether due to the new Euro 7 standards, tightening emissions requirements. So they're already prepping for that shift. In short, Mercedes is planning to upgrade its entire engine lineup. They also intend to partially electrify these engines. Even the legendary V12 used in the Maybach isn't going anywhere. They're holding onto it and giving it a mild electrification touch. Mercedes admitted it has to adapt to the new realities, as the EV transition hasn't gone as smoothly as they'd hoped. Funny how that happened. Just 3 years ago, they claimed that by 2025, plug-in hybrids and full EVs would make up about 50% of their annual sales. But those plans have hit the wall of harsh reality. The public's reaction to downsizing, especially in high-performance AMG models, caught the company off guard. Now, Mercedes is even considering bringing back the iconic 4-liter V8 for the C63 AMG. And the new E63? It's been delayed. Originally, it was supposed to get a hybrid setup based on a straight 6 engine, but that plan's been scrapped in favor of a hybrid based on the 4 V8, like the top GT63. Amazing how falling sales can really sober a company up. Of course, Mercedes' long-term goal hasn't changed. They still want to be carbon neutral by 2040. Källenius also denied rumors that the next-gen EQS electric platform has been canceled. That project is moving forward, and they're not backing away from plans to build 8 battery gigafactories either, though those plants will be coming online a bit later than expected. Well, I'm glad Mercedes finally woke up, stopped living in a fantasy, and realized that ICE cars are still the core of their business. That's all from me today. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Good luck out there, and see you soon.